In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple appointment types in Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to appointment types here on the left and you want to click on it. And from here on, it's super simple. You want to go to types. And of course, you just want to create a new type of service, as many of them as you want. So as you can see, I have 4 of them over here. I can just click on new type of service, top left over here. And I'm just going to name this one, for example, first call like this. And of course, you could give it a description. You can select different things like the duration over here, the category if you have them. You can select your color, the payment, so how much it costs. I'm going to do 15 bucks. You can also add payment methods, your images, calendars, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can do. Of course, I'm not going to waste your time over here. You can set this up. It's pretty self-explanatory what you can do in each and every single one of these blocks. And then just click on create top right, and that one's going to get created. And now, of course, you can just keep on clicking on new type of service over here. And yeah, it's essentially going to basically allow you to create multiple, essentially as many as you wish. So you can just keep on clicking over here, creating them. So for example, if I call this one sales call, for example, and if I go down here and make it like 10 bucks, and if I create it, there we go. As you can see, it's going to get created as well. And now I already have 6 of them because I had 4 earlier, of course, prior to this video. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.